Hey guys, it's Joette with BalloonCoach.com, and today I want to make sure you know how to access your member area at BalloonCoach.com to get the most out of your Balloon Boss Summit experience. No matter if you're attending in person or virtually online, all of the information will be in your dashboard as we go through the program. So go into your member dashboard, log in with the email address you purchased with and the password that was sent to you. If you don't remember it, click on the button that says Forgot Password and use the email address you purchased the summit with. When you get into the summit section, you will see a video that's with Stuart Davies and I giving you tips and hints on how to prepare to make the most out of your time at Balloon Boss Summit. So go check that out now. Then you can download the schedule to know what the classes are for every day, Sunday, November 8th through Friday, November 13th. Then throughout the week, our professional photographer will be putting up photos of the designs that we create each day into albums. You'll be able to access them right here under Photos Summit 2020. Then on Sunday, we have our welcoming session at 9 a.m. When you click on that session, you will be able to click on the link for that Zoom that allows you to get in and listen to it live. After the recording is downloaded onto the computers and uploaded, for people who miss a session, you'll be able to watch it typically within 48 hours after it happens. You can see the replay. We'll replace this area that says Zoom link. Each day you will see all of the different things that are going on during our live classes on Sunday that are hands-on with the instructors that are at the event. We're not able to be in all 10 places at once because they're all going on simultaneously. There will be links in our private Facebook group for you to watch what's going on live during that hands-on portion. And then later in the week, you will be able to go in here and watch the replay, which will have a professional videographer videoing it with a microphone on the instructor so that you can get the details of what they're telling us about. The other thing that you can do is when Melissa Vinson goes live on her Zoom on Sunday at 10 a.m., it will be the link here. And then Stuart Davies will also be doing one at 11 a.m. on Sunday that will be added here for you. On Sunday night is our opening CBA certificates are given out. We'll be having karaoke and networking. You'll be able to go there to hit your Zoom link to be able to join in the celebration and congratulate all of our CBAs. Then you can see the rest of the schedule up here for the week. And if you want to know the exact time of these classes, again, simply go to your dashboard, and if you registered in advance, you'll be getting your notebook in the mail. For those people who choose to join us online after this week, you will be able to download your schedule right here and be able to look over the notes online. Guys, I'm Joette with BalloonCoach.com, and I am so excited about this upcoming event. Being able to be in the same room with balloon professionals and have the energy is amazing. And for those of you who cannot be there with us personally, I hope you enjoy all of the extra steps that we've taken for you to be a part of the event and to each day at 3:20 Monday through Friday be a part of our discussions. For more information on what your group is, go into our Balloon Boss Summit 2020 Facebook group, and you will have more details there to be able to communicate with the people who are at the event and to enjoy each step of the way. Guys, thank you for investing in yourself and your business to be able to reignite yourself, take a break from working in your business to work on your business. I look forward to seeing you all soon in Orlando, and I can't wait to see the roadmap to success each of you create during this journey. You will each have a workbook and a roadmap to success. And they're getting locked up, sorry. So I cannot wait to go through this journey with you. Have an amazing day. See you soon at Summit. Bye.